жаттығу сөйлемдерді жаттап алуға арналған. Әр сөйлемді диктор 2 рет қайталайды. Содан кейін көрерменге сөйлемді өздігінен қайталау үшін уақыт беріледі. Экранда көрсетілген сөйлемдердегі сөздер аудармасын тез табу үшін түрлі түстермен берілген.
Тренировка состоит из предложений, предназначенных для запоминания. Каждое предложение диктор повторяет дважды, после чего зрителю дается время для самостоятельного повтора. Слова в предложениях, показанные на экране, выделены разными цветами, чтобы перевод можно было быстро найти.
To do. To do. I did my homework yesterday. I did my homework yesterday. I did not forget your request. I did not forget your request. Did I say something wrong? Did I say something wrong? I do my work carefully. I do my work carefully. I do not make mistakes often. I do not make mistakes often. Do I understand this correctly? Do I understand this correctly? I will do my best tomorrow. I will do my best tomorrow. I will not do anything risky. I will not do anything risky. Will I do well in the exam? Will I do well in the exam? You did everything on time. You did everything on time. You did not break the rule. You did not break the rule. Did you see the instructions? Did you see the instructions? You do your job well. You do your job well. You do not disturb anyone. You do not disturb anyone. Do you need help? Do you need help? You will do great in the contest. You will do great in the contest. You will not do anything unnecessary. You will not do anything unnecessary. Will you do it today? Will you do it today? He did his part of the work. He did his part of the work. He did not complain. He did not complain. Did he explain the problem? Did he explain the problem? He does everything neatly. He does everything neatly. He does not interrupt others. He does not interrupt others. Does he remember the plan? Does he remember the plan? He will do his tasks first. He will do his tasks first. He will not do anything foolish. He will not do anything foolish. Will he do it correctly? Will he do it correctly? She did an excellent job. She did an excellent job. She did not mislead anyone. She did not mislead anyone. Did she open the report? Did she open the report? She does her tasks responsibly. She does her tasks responsibly. She does not forget details. She does not forget details. Does she need more time? Does she need more time? She will do everything properly. She will do everything properly. She will not do unnecessary work. She will not do unnecessary work. Will she do it on time? Will she do it on time? It did what was required. It did what was required. It did not cause trouble. It did not cause trouble. Did it work yesterday? Did it work yesterday? It does what it is designed to do. It does what it is designed to do. It does not create errors. It does not create errors. Does it function well? Does it function well? It will do exactly what you program. It will do exactly what you program. It will not do anything strange. It will not do anything strange. Will it do the task quickly? Will it do the task quickly? We did everything ourselves. We did everything ourselves. We did not ignore the rules. We did not ignore the rules. Did we finish on time? Did we finish on time? We do our work with dedication. We do our work with dedication. We do not rush decisions. We do not rush decisions. Do we have enough resources? Do we have enough resources? We will do everything together. We will do everything together. We will not do anything harmful. We will not do anything harmful. Will we do it better next time? Will we do it better next time? You did the task correctly. You did the task correctly. You did not skip any step. You did not skip any step. Did you hear the announcement? Did you hear the announcement? You do everything efficiently. You do everything efficiently. You do not break the schedule. You do not break the schedule. Do you need assistance? Do you need assistance? You will do your part on Friday. You will do your part on Friday. You will not do anything without permission. You will not do anything without permission. Will you do it faster next time? Will you do it faster next time? They did a great job. They did a great job. They did not make any noise. They did not make any noise. Did they call earlier? Did they call earlier? They do everything on schedule. They do everything on schedule. They do not waste time. They do not waste time. Do they understand the rules? Do they understand the rules? They will do their best to help. They will do their best to help. They will not do anything illegal. They will not do anything illegal. Will they do it by Monday? Will they do it by Monday?